wants you to put him to bed.
Alright, putting Ben to bed. This is our vlog. Sunday. Just got done eating dinner at Heather's house, and Elor and Taylor were there. Finishing up in our apartment. This is Ben. You know Ben. Lights on in my pocket. What do you have to say, Ben? Are you ready for bed? Do you have anything to say to your future self? Your feet are itchy? Do you like living in Hawaii? You just want to sleep, huh? Do you like living in Hawaii?
I don't know yet.
There you have it. Hawaii's average. No, it's not. It's amazing. Alright, we're going to put Ben to bed. Ben, here. Ready for bed? You want to turn the camera off? Press the button. Press the button. Press it.